Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find bullx.io invitation link. So if you want to create your account on BullX, then you can use the link that is given in the description and you will be able to easily set up and create your account on bullx.io. Now, once you have successfully created your account and now you want to invite any other friends or family members of yours and you want to get your own referral or invitation link, in order to get that, you need to just hover over to the left hand section and click on the referral option. Afterwards, you will be landed on this page where you just have to simply wait for some time until it shows you your unique referral link in front of you. Once you are able to find that unique referral link, you need to simply click on the copy button in order to copy it from here, and now you can share it with your friends and family members and you can give them 10% trading fees rebate on BullX platform, and you can also earn commissions. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.